Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode on Ronnie's Mind Palace. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of wood carving, specifically focusing on the creation of a stunning redwood dragon from start to finish. First things first, let's talk about the wood itself. Redwood is renowned for its beauty, durability, and workability, making it a popular choice among woodworkers and artisans. Its rich, reddish-brown hue provides the perfect canvas for intricate carvings. Now, onto the process. It all begins with a rough block of redwood. This raw material is like a blank canvas, waiting to be transformed into a work of art. Before we even pick up our carving tools, careful planning and design are essential. We sketch out the basic outline of the dragon, envisioning its pose, scale, and details. Once we have a clear vision, it's time to bring our dragon to life. We start by roughing out the basic shape using large carving tools like chisels and gouges. This stage is all about removing excess wood and establishing the overall form of the dragon. As the dragon begins to take shape, we gradually refine our cuts, adding depth, texture, and detail. This is where the magic happens. Every stroke of the carving tool brings the dragon closer to its final form. We pay close attention to the flow of the wood grain, using it to enhance the dragon's natural contours and features. Now, let's talk about the details. From the intricate scales on its body to the fierce expression on its face, every aspect of the dragon is meticulously carved with precision and care. We use a variety of carving techniques, including relief carving, undercutting, and detailing, to achieve lifelike textures and dimensionality. As we near the final stages of the carving process, we focus on refining the finer details and smoothing out any rough edges. This is where patience and attention to detail truly pay off. The smallest adjustments can make a big difference in the overall appearance of the dragon. Finally, once the carving is complete, we apply a protective finish to enhance the natural beauty of the redwood and ensure its longevity. This could be a coat of varnish, oil, or wax, depending on the desired look and level of protection. And there you have it. From a rough block of redwood to a breathtaking piece of artwork, our dragon carving is ready to take center stage. It's been an incredible journey bringing this mythical creature to life, and we hope you've enjoyed following along every step of the way. Before we dive into the carving process, let's talk a bit about our chosen material. We've selected a large, sturdy piece of wood, typically a softwood like pine or cedar, perfect for chainsaw carving due to its relatively lightweight and forgiving nature. Now, let's get started. With chainsaw in hand, we begin by roughing out the basic shape of our eagle. This initial stage is all about removing excess wood to establish the overall form and proportions of our sculpture. It's a thrilling moment as the eagle begins to take shape right before our eyes, with each powerful stroke of the chainsaw bringing us closer to our vision. As we progress, we pay close attention to the contours and curves of the eagle's body, using the chainsaw to carve out the intricate details of his feathers, wings, and talons. It's a delicate balance between precision and spontaneity, as we let the natural texture of the wood guide our carving process. With each pass of the chainsaw, we refine the details, adding depth and dimension to our eagle's wings as they spread wide in flight. Every cut is intentional, every angle carefully considered to capture the essence of this magnificent creature in motion. As we near the final stages of carving, we switch to smaller, more precise chainsaw blades to carve out the finer details of the eagle's features, its piercing eyes, sharp beak, and powerful claws. It's these small touches that truly bring our sculpture to life, imbuing it with a sense of realism and vitality. As we near the final stages of carving, we switch to smaller, more precise chainsaw blades to carve out the finer details of the eagle's features, its piercing eyes, sharp beak, and powerful claws. It's these small touches that truly bring our sculpture to life, imbuing it with a sense of realism and vitality. Once the carving is complete, we take a step back to admire our handiwork. Our flying eagle stands proud and majestic, a testament to the raw power and beauty of chainsaw carving. But our work isn't done yet. We carefully sand and smooth the surface of the sculpture, removing any rough edges and preparing it for the finishing touches. To protect and preserve our carving for years to come, we apply a coat of sealant or wood preservative, enhancing the natural beauty of the wood and safeguarding it against the elements. And there you have it. From a humble block of wood to a stunning work of art, our chainsaw-carved flying eagle is ready to take flight. It's been an exhilarating journey, and we're thrilled to share the process with you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share. We recently had the wonderful opportunity to be a part of a special project in Shirahama Town, Wakayama Prefecture. As you may know, a new campground called Campground Plage 4 is set to open in the beautiful area of Tomita. Now, what makes this campground truly unique is not just its stunning location, but also the attention to detail that's being put into every aspect of its design. One of the most notable features is the monument sign that will greet visitors at the entrance. And guess what? We had the honor of carving this sign ourselves. The sign features a magnificent deer, beautifully crafted to reflect the natural surroundings of Shirahama. It's not just a sign, it's a symbol of the harmony between nature and leisure that awaits visitors at Campground Plage 4. We poured our hearts into this project, ensuring that every curve and detail of the deer was brought to life with precision and care. It was truly a labor of love, and we couldn't be more proud of the final result. So, if you're planning a trip to Wakayama Prefecture anytime soon, be sure to stop by Campground Plage 4 and admire our handiwork at the entrance. We hope it adds a touch of warmth and excitement to your camping experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and stay tuned for more updates on our future projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy camping!